Hey, what's up guys? My name is Razak and we are going to talk about some fuser today. It's a sunny day outside, but we are going to talk about some fuser. Yes, we have started the 7-part series and this is part 1 of 7, which is fuser module, and I'm very excited about it. So in today's session, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace toner unit. But before we do that, I want to show you the 10 fault codes that printer displays when it has a fuser module problem. It is very important to know what is the exact problem with your fuser module before you come to any conclusion. The possible reason for fuser problem is number 1, the power surge. If your printer is connected directly to any power extension rather than directly mount into the wall jack of power outlet, it may cause you the fuser problem also, because it will not get the recommended power from that outlet which is connected to the extension rather than connecting to a direct power jack wall mounted. So that thing is to remember before you decide the place for installation of your printer. Maybe you can go and check whether there is a power outlet directly wall mount or no. Number 2 is ventilation. The proper ventilation at the time of installation of the printer matters a lot. It will avoid the problems that will cause later due to the humidity. So consider the 3 facts before installing the printer. So before we start this video has a caution side. That means we have to be very careful. So before we start with the replacement and removal and replacement procedure, we will turn off the machine and leave it for 5 minutes, so let that fuser module temperature cools down, and then we can start with the video. I have already turned off the printer before the start of this video, so we can move to the practical session right now. Open the behind rear door and you can see the fuser right away. So just be very careful while handling. Just rotate these knobs in anti-clockwise direction until it's loosened enough so that you can pull out the fuser later. Just hold these knobs and then you can just pull it out. Very easy. Just let me get that. Yeah, just pull it out like that and your fuser unit is out. Okay, now to replace the fuser unit, follow the same procedure in a reverse form. Just place it on the position and just push it until you hear a click voice, and then you just rotate the knobs in the clockwise direction. Just make sure you have fitted it properly so that it won't give you alert. So guys, this is the machine interface. This is all your buttons. So to go to fault history counters, just press and hold this home key button for about 8 to 10 seconds and it should probably prompt you for the password. The passcode, which is common for all the models in Xerox. So 6789 is a passcode, important to remember. So once you have that passcode, you can enter the diagnostic mode. So here we are. This is the diagnostic mode control panel. We have some general information about the serial number, the product code, system software version, IP address. Again, this is very helpful, and there are of different tabs also, like service information. You can go and say what you can check the service software version of the machine in great details. But for this video we will just go to fault history counters. For that, just drop to maintenance tab and fault history counters. So we are inside the fault history counter. There are various faults as listed, and this is the current one today, and when you click on it you will have the details about it. So this is a chain link and it's a code. So the code which I was talking about when the machine gives is this code, exactly like this one. So unfortunately we don't have a fuser fault code here, so what I can do, I will show you how it looks like this on my screen right here. The 10 fault codes which will show once the machine have a fuser problems, and these all are related to the fuser. You can just go and click on the details and find out what's wrong with it. So it's very helpful, very handy. All the service engineer on my customer side, I always check fault counters for the problems. It's initial actions we have to perform. And now I will show you how to exit the diagnostic modes. Just close out. After finish, you can reset the counter, you can exit and reboot, but for us we can just exit the video because we don't have any fault. and we don't need to reset any counters.
So that's it. Hope you like my video. Now you have learned how to remove and replace toner with proper precautions, and I will continue to make these videos in later parts. Hope you like it and enjoyed it. Hope it was very helpful for you. Just please like and subscribe if you like my video, and there are a lot more exciting topics coming. It's time to end the session with big love, and I'm your host Razak.